Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Figma how to hide the sidebar. Whether you're a designer who wants a cleaner workspace or you're just looking for a little more room to focus on your canvas, you'll learn exactly how to quickly toggle the sidebar and even hide the entire Figma interface when you want to zone in on your designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over your workspace and know how to bring everything back just as easily. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the sidebar we're referring to. On the left side of your Figma window, you'll see the Layers panel, where all your pages, frames, and layers are organized. Now, sometimes this can get a bit cluttered, especially if you're working on a smaller screen or need more room for the details in your design. That's where this trick really comes in handy. To hide the sidebar, Figma has given us a neat keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, it's Ctrl plus Shift plus the backslash key. On a Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus backslash. So let's walk through that together. Find the backslash key, which is usually just above the Enter or Return key. Hold down either Control and Shift if you're on Windows or Command and Shift if you're on Mac, and then tap that backslash. Instantly, you'll see the left sidebar disappear from view, giving you a lot more breathing space. This is great if you want to really focus on your artboard or layout without any distractions on the side. Now, if you're worried you might lose track of your layers or have trouble getting the sidebar back, don't sweat it. The shortcut works both ways, it's a toggle. So just hit the same keys again and your sidebar will come right back exactly as you left it. It's that simple. This is such a time saver, especially if you find yourself constantly needing to switch between exploring your layers and getting an uncluttered view for pixel-perfect adjustments. But maybe you want to take it even further and clear away the whole Figma UI, not just the sidebar but also the top and right panels. This can make your canvas feel like a true blank slate. To do that, all you need is one more keyboard trick. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and the backslash key, and if you're on Mac, it's Command and backslash. No need for the Shift key this time, just those two. When you do this, Figma hides pretty much the entire interface, leaving just your design on screen. It's fantastic when you want to present your work to others or take clean screenshots without any extra menus or panels getting in the way. If you're new to keyboard shortcuts, don't worry if it doesn't work on the first try. Just double-check that you're using the right combination for your operating system, and be sure you're using the backslash key and not the forward slash. They look similar, so it's an easy mix-up. Take a moment to get used to how it feels, and soon enough you'll be toggling the UI like a pro. And that's all there is to it. These quick keyboard tricks let you take charge of your workspace and design with less clutter and more focus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your favorite Figma tips. Hit subscribe to stay tuned for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.